Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of food processors to help you find the best one for your kitchen. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a top-of-the-line powerhouse, we've got you covered. I've done all the research and testing so you don't have to. As always, you'll find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Black Decker food processor and vegetable chopper. This affordable option features an 8-cup capacity, making it a great fit for smaller households or those who don't need to process large quantities of food. Despite its budget-friendly design, the Black Decker packs a solid 450-watt motor, which is great for tasks like chopping veggies, shredding cheese, or mixing salsas. The stainless steel S-blade and reversible slicing shredding disc are versatile enough for most kitchen tasks. In terms of design, the Black Decker is straightforward and user-friendly. Its easy assembly design means you won't struggle to lock the work bowl into place, and the touchpad controls are simple to clean. However, the build quality is where it shows its budget roots. The plastic components feel less durable compared to premium models. But that's understandable at this price point. Performance-wise, while it handles basic tasks well, it may struggle with tougher ingredients like nuts or hard-root vegetables for extended periods. It's ideal for light to medium use, and its compact size is a bonus for small kitchens. The main downside is the lack of advanced features like multiple speed settings or auto preset programs. If you're on a budget and need a no-frills food processor, this is a great choice. Pros: affordable, easy-to-use design, dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: limited durability, struggles with tougher tasks. Coming in at number 4, we have the KitchenAid KFC 3516ER 3.5-cup food chopper. This is a compact and stylish option that's all about convenience. With its 3.5-cup capacity, it's perfect for quick, small-scale tasks like chopping herbs, making dressings, or whipping up a batch of salsa. The locking blade, handle, and pour spout make it easy to use and serve directly from the work bowl, while the drizzle basin is a nice touch for incorporating liquids like oils or vinegars during processing. The design here is elegant and space-saving, as you'd expect from KitchenAid. It's lightweight and has a small footprint, making it ideal for cramped countertops. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy feel despite its smaller size. It also comes in a variety of colors, so you can pick one that matches your kitchen decor. Cleanup is a breeze, as the bowl and blade are dishwasher safe. Performance-wise, this food chopper is best suited for light-duty tasks. It's not going to replace a full-sized food processor, but that's not its purpose. The 2-speed control with pulse gives you enough flexibility for most small jobs. However, if you're looking to process larger quantities or tougher ingredients, you'll want to look elsewhere. Pros: compact, stylish design, easy to clean. Cons: limited capacity. Not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Taking the number 3 spot is the Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper. This is a standout budget option for those who need a larger capacity without breaking the bank. With a 10-cup bowl and a powerful 450-watt motor, it's great for handling larger batches of food. One of its most unique features is the built-in bowl scraper, which eliminates the need to stop and scrape down the sides manually, a huge time saver when working with sticky or dense ingredients. The design is functional, with suction cup feet for added stability. It has 2 speed settings, plus a pulse option, giving you decent control over your processing tasks. The stainless steel slicing shredding disc and chopping pureeing blade are versatile enough for a range of recipes, from chopping veggies to making purees. While the build quality is solid for its price, it does have a plastic bowl and components, which may not hold up as well over time compared to more premium models. In terms of performance, this food processor punches above its weight. It handles most tasks with ease, though it can struggle with very tough ingredients like nuts. Cleanup is straightforward, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. If you're looking for an affordable, high-capacity food processor, the Hamilton Beach is hard to beat. Pros: affordable, large capacity, built-in scraper. Cons: plastic components, limited power for tougher tasks. At number 2, we have the Ninja Food Processor Professional Plus BN601. This model takes performance to the next level with its 1,000 peak watt motor and 9-cup capacity, making it a great choice for families or those who cook in bulk. The standout feature here is the Auto IQ technology, which offers 4 intelligent preset programs for tasks like chopping, slicing, pureeing, and even making dough. This takes the guesswork out of food prep, making it incredibly user-friendly. The design is modern and sleek, with a silver finish that looks great on any countertop. The components feel sturdy and well-built, and the safety mechanisms ensure it operates only when properly assembled. The included blades are sharp and precise, delivering consistent results every time. Cleanup is hassle-free, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Performance-wise, this food processor excels in both versatility and power. It handles tough ingredients with ease and even comes with a specialized dough blade for baking enthusiasts. While it's a bit pricier than some other models, the added features and build quality make it a great value for the money. Pros: powerful, versatile, user-friendly presets. Cons: slightly higher price point, larger footprint. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. This premium all-in-one appliance is a powerhouse, featuring a 1,500-watt motor that can handle everything from crushing ice to mixing dough. It's not just a food processor. It's also a full-sized blender and smoothie maker, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. The 8-cup food processor bowl, 72-ounce blender pitcher, and 2 16-ounce to-go cups make it ideal for everything, from meal prep to on-the-go smoothies. The total crushing technology is a game-changer, especially for tasks like making frozen desserts or blending tough ingredients. The build quality is outstanding, with durable components that are built to last. The included blades are optimized for different tasks, ensuring you get the best results no matter the job. Cleanup is straightforward, with all removable parts being dishwasher safe. In terms of performance, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is in a league of its own. It's powerful, versatile, and efficient, making it a fantastic investment for serious home cooks. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the added functionality makes it well worth the price. Pros: unmatched power, multifunctional design, excellent build quality. Cons: higher price, larger size may not suit small kitchens. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect food processor for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about the products we reviewed, leave a comment down below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.